A healthy diet can support overall well-being and may indirectly help manage tinnitus by reducing inflammation and improving circulation. While there are no specific meals that can cure tinnitus, here are 6 healthy meal ideas. 1. Salmon and quinoa. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Pair it with quinoa, a whole grain that's high in protein and fiber. 2. Spinach and chickpea salad. Spinach is a good source of antioxidants and nutrients, while chickpeas provide protein and fiber. Add colourful vegetables and a light vinaigrette for a balanced meal. 3. Turkey and brown rice. Turkey is a lean source of protein, and brown rice is a whole grain rich in nutrients. These ingredients can be combined with vegetables to create a balanced meal. 4. Vegetable stir-fry. A stir-fry with a variety of colourful vegetables, lean protein such as chicken or tofu, and a low-sodium soy sauce can be a nutritious and tasty option. 5. Mediterranean salad. A Mediterranean salad with mixed greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta cheese can provide a range of vitamins and minerals. Top it with grilled chicken or chickpeas for added protein. 6. Smoothie with berries and spinach. A smoothie made with a blend of berries, spinach, Greek yogurt, and a little honey can be a nutritious and antioxidant-rich option. It's also important to maintain adequate hydration by drinking plenty of water. Reducing salt and sugar intake is generally advisable for overall health and may indirectly help with tinnitus management. Remember that tinnitus can have various underlying causes, and diet alone may not provide a complete solution. For more tips and info on tinnitus treatment, please visit our website below. Thank you.